I have 4 raised beds that I only grow tomatoes in. This is the 3rd year of use. Are there any suggestions for anything to mix in the soil to help them? They originally were filled with bags of raised bed soil.
Compost.
Yeah.
There's the old wise tale. I guess I don't know if it's a wise tale. We've grown tomatoes in the same spot for a number of years. The issue that you may have is if you start to develop a disease or a fungal disease in that particular area, and that's why you want to rotate your crops. If you bring in, you put bag soil there. Let's say the beds are 8 inches tall. At some point, the beds are probably about 4 inches because it settles and it works in the soil. Bring in and top dress that with compost, 100% compost, nothing wrong with it, and you'll be fine. You just pay attention to your plants, make sure they have plenty of nutrients. And if you are beginning to see on a repetitive basis that this certain disease continues to happen, there's probably something in the soil that you need to get them out and move them to a different place. But there's really nothing wrong with planting tomatoes in the same bed as long as you feed the soil for the plants to have something to live off of.
Yeah, I agree. Adding compost would be good. You could add some sort of fertilizer, an organic tomato fertilizer type of thing.
Which I think we do regardless of how healthy our soil is. We always add a fertilizer.
Yeah.
An organic that's under a 10-10-10.
And I would do it. I would do that personally, because especially in raised beds, their nutrients can deplete a little bit.
And there's a certain level of leaching out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I would definitely add, at this point, I would add something.